Namaskar dosto, welcome to Apple Man. Today in this video we will see how you can convert your WebM format to MP4. If you are like me, recorded your video on Windows machine or any other software that has created that format in WebM, and now you are editing your video on Mac and on our favorite software Final Cut Pro, but then this problem arises that doesn't support WebM format. So today in this video we will see how you can convert WebM format to MP4 by two methods. The first method will be the offline method, in which you don't require any internet connection, just need a software that I'm going to tell you. Second method will be online method, on which we can see how we can do it. So let's start the video. The first method, that is offline method. To do that you need a software called VLC. All you are familiar with VLC. What is VLC? It is a famous video player, but apart from that it also convert your WebM to MP4. So first of all, launch the VLC, and when I expand it, and as you can see in the file section here, you can see the convert or stream option. So click on convert and stream option, and first you need to locate the media that you want to convert. Here as you can see, this is a file that is in the WebM format, so I located it. Second option is choose profile. So choose profile option is you have different option, but if you want to convert it in MP4, so you check this option, video H.264 plus MP4. okay, so you need to check at this. And now the third option, that is choose destination. So you need to locate where your converted MP4 will be located. So I will just put it here and name it converted, and I have known that where it is. Now click on save and click on save. When I click on save, and as you can see, it started converting. It's a very small file, that's why it take a very less time, but if your file is a little bit, so it will process, it will take a little time. But as we all know, we have MacBook with M1 chip, so it doesn't take too much time. So let me show you where it is after converting. So now as you can see, I am in the folder where I have put it located the destination, and as you can see here, it is converted .m4v. So when I click on it, and as you can see, it is easily able to play. Okay, so that was the first method by which you can converted it. Okay, and now we will move on to our second method. So second method is of online method. Second method is online method. So you need to simply go on internet and type WebM to MP4. okay, WebM to MP4. Guys, right now I am using someone else website, but very soon I will also create my own service for converting online. So you just check the description. Whenever I up and running it, I will put it in the description. So we will search WebM to MP4 converter, and as you can see, it is the first option. Also we can go from this site, whatever site you would like you can go, but first check the description when I will soon create mine. So here you can click on convert WebM, and it is a free, I think. So first obviously we have to give the WebM file where we have, so we will locate it. So again, as you can see here, it is hide unhide and .webm, the file name is, and the size is 35 MB. So I just click on it, and it is started uploading. Based on your internet connection speed, it takes time. If you have a high internet speed, then it will upload fast, or as you can know. So we'll just wait. So guys, after uploading the file, there is also the option come that convert to which format. So we have to convert it in MP4. You can also convert in MKV, MOV, whatever file you want. So we will go for MP4 and just click on simply convert. So when I click on convert, it start converting, and after converting, let's see our MP4 file. So guys, as you can see, the file is converted. We will click on download file and it is started to download our file. Okay, so as you can see, it is converted. So guys, you have seen how we can convert WebM format to MP4. That was the video guys. I hope you like this video by two methods. One is offline method and one is online method. Don't forget to check the description. If this video solved your problem, like this video. Please comment that yes, this video solved my problem, thanks, or whatever you want to show your gratitude. You can buy me a coffee if you want, if this video like you. And last but not least guys, you can also subscribe this channel Appleman, because Appleman is a channel on about how to tutorials on iPhone. If you have an iPhone, if you own an iPhone or a MacBook, then you can also subscribe this channel for future videos on how to videos. Okay, last but not least, whenever the super thanks is active, you can also give me super thanks. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much.